First bites of this huge 15-course tasting menu tonight. It's kind of a high-end fish and chips. Oh, it looks so good with caviar, of course. Look how beautiful that is. It's amazing. Crunchy outside batter. Beautiful, tender, flaky fish on the inside. Wonderful sauce. So much coming my way tonight. I'm gonna be stuffed. It's so good.
Round 2, composed oyster.
Bay scallop, super sweet, cooked ceviche style, salmon tataki, seared tataki style, king salmon, rich and buttery.
Crab roll, featuring fresh Maryland blue crabs, since we're in the Chesapeake area. Soba noodles, play on a chilled cioppino.
Beautiful seared hamachi, sticky rice cake. Beautiful rare tuna here.
Alrighty, sir, I have the lamb bao bun for you.
Up top, we have spaghetti and a red pepper Vermont. This is our creste de gallo. Pasta resembles the head of a rooster and a lobster bisque.
I gotta unbuckle my belt, I think. We're getting there.
We have the tri-tip, prime grated, with a pear shrub in the middle. We have our red beets, poached in a beet garum, with a goat cheese espuma.
No way.
Pavlova, with a yuzu cremosa. Rocky Road, deconstructed.
Oh man, I'm getting sauced up with chocolate. Now that is a dream come true. Can I drink what's left of the chocolate?
Absolutely can.
It's like hot fudge. One's big on chocolate, the other one's big on fruit. Oh, timber! Strawberries and crunch.
You did good. You did good.
Crush me. Send my best to the chef and the team.